Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my fall FabFitFun box. I asked in my community tab if you guys wanted to see it or not. I don't get a lot of views on my unboxings, so if you guys were not interested, I was not going to do it. But I have to say, this is my favorite box, the fall one. It seems like whenever I am subscribed to FabFitFun, the fall boxes are my favorite one, and this one is no exception. This one was a really good box. I felt like I didn't have to settle in any other categories. So it was something that I wanted, and in a couple of categories there was more than one option that I was excited about. And I also do have a few add-ons, so I'm just going to show you the box. The only thing I was a little disappointed, this was not even taped. The box was like open, kind of like this. Now I haven't looked through it. I have not. I wanted to unbox it totally with you. It is very heavy. The box is a fall theme, and it's very pretty, but it almost feels like it has been a little beat up. There is some packing paper on top, so I would feel like this is really secure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out and put it in the order of my categories so that I can show you what I chose for each of the categories. Okay, I think I got it. We'll see. If not, then it's okay. It's no big deal. Not the end of the world. For customization 1, I got this beautiful tortoise shell serving bowl. It is really pretty. I plan to use it as a fruit bowl to put it, you know, on my island with fresh fruit, and it goes with the colors of my kitchen and my dining room. So let me show you. This is like it comes nicely packed in a box. This was very well packaged. It was not easy getting it out of the box, but this is what it looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. It is nice and heavy, nice quality, and I think it will make an amazing fruit bowl. So pretty, and it's just gonna add something to my kitchen and the island where I set it down, because it is absolutely beautiful, and I am so happy. It looks a lot prettier than what it did on the website, so very excited about that. For customization 2, they had a set. It's called a bump suit, but it's not for pregnant women. Okay, it's like loungewear, and they had in customization 2, they had the pants. So I got these for me. I got them in an extra large. I like them to feel baggy, and they only have one color, one shade to choose from. And I love things like this for hanging around the house. If I'm just going to go to my son's to spend some time with my granddaughter, they're nice and comfy, but you know, they don't look bumming. You know, you can dress them up. They look nice and casual with nice earrings and things like that. If you have a little bit of makeup, I love these. I own several of them, not from this brand, but I just love hanging around the house with this. I prefer to do this than to wear like jeans or something like that you know, just feel uncomfortable, especially when it's so hot outside. I just want to feel comfortable, and if I have a bad day where I'm achy and I'm feeling well, wearing something like this is comfy, but I feel like I'm put together. I don't feel like I'm wearing pajamas. So also in customization 2, I added this on. This is a Salt and Stone Bergamot and Hinoki body wash. I've used body wash from them before. They actually sent me some in PR before, so I know that I really do enjoy it. They really do have good scents, and this is a very nice bath gel, and you get quite a bit of it. This was also one of the choices, and I just added this, and I had to pay a little extra to add it, but I am so happy that I have it, because that is a really good bath gel. So if you have a chance to pick that up on sale or something like that, I would grab it, because it's really good. I really do enjoy it. Okay, for category 3, they have the top that goes with the pants. So I got the top, and it is long sleeves. Now the only thing is, it almost looks like I would wear this like if I'm going to wear it to go to sleep or something like that, but I wouldn't wear it out, because it almost looks like a crop top, unless I wear like a camisole or something under it, because I am not going to be showing my belly. So I hesitated on this one, but I thought it would be nice to have this set, so I went ahead and I got it. But I'm not that tall, so I'm hoping that, you know, it doesn't show much skin, but I figure I can wear like a tank top or something underneath it and it will work out just fine. You know, as long as I'm not showing skin, I'll be okay. Okay, for category 4, they have the Voluspa room sprays, and those are pretty pricey. So they had 2 of them. They had the Baltic Amber, which is amber, sandalwood, vanilla, orchid, and then they had the Forbidden Fig, which is ripened fig, velvety musk, midnight rose, and fig leaf. So they both sounded amazing to me. This one has rose, which I don't care for the scent of rose in like a room spray or anything like that. The smell of fake roses remind me of like a funeral, so I'm not that much into it. Even if I have it on skincare or something like that, as long as it's not overpowering, I can handle it. But if it's super strong and fake rose smell, I really don't like that. So this is 3.4 fluid ounces, 100 mLs. So I'm going to spray them here for you really quick. So one was included with, it was my choice, and then the other one was an add-on. This is the fig, and I love these to have in the bathroom. Oh, that smells really good. I don't feel like it smells like roses at all. Wow, I sprayed a little too much, but it smells amazing. So good. That is beautiful. So glad I have this. So right now, when the room spray that I have in there, when it runs out, I'll use one of these. This smells really good. Wow, that is good. Okay, and this is the vanilla, Baltic vanilla. Let's spray that one and see what it smells like. Yeah, but even their candles are super pricey, so I was glad that this was a choice. And the bottles are beautiful. They're really gorgeous. These will also make a nice little gift for someone. Oh, this smells good too. This smells so good. It smells more like amber. Oh, it smells amazing. I couldn't tell you which one is my favorite because they don't smell similar, but they're both amazing. They smell so good. Alright, so that was category 3. And then for category 4, I'm sorry, that was for category 4. So for category 5, they had the Summer Fridays Blush Butter Bombs, and they had different choices. So one of them I got it as my choice, and then I added an extra shade. I have their bronzer that was just released recently, and it's in this type of formula, and I love it. It is so beautiful and so comfortable and so easy to blend. So this one is in the shade Dusty Rose. The packaging looks like the packaging for the bronzer. I love Summer Fridays. I feel like they have some really pretty products. There is a mirror on the packaging, so that's nice. This is Dusty Rose. Very pretty. I like that. And then the other one is in Toasted Terracotta. I've been trying to grab a few more like peachy shades because I always tend to go for the mauve, the rose, the pinks. And I just thought it would be nice to have something a little more toasty, a little more, and you know, like peachy. So this one is the Toasted Terracotta. That is really pretty. That's that one right there. Very nice. It does feel balmy when you put it on. I feel like the bronzer maybe doesn't feel quite as balmy as this, but I have to try them on together and see how they look. Those are beautiful. I like that. Yeah, for category 6, I chose earrings that they had. And I'm going to go ahead and post at the end what my box value was. I paid basically $65, I think it is, for the one that is yearly, annually. So these are earrings. They're so pretty. These are called the Hoop Smooth Silver. I don't know if they are sterling silver. I don't remember. I don't think so. I think it was say on the box. But they were pricey. Now that I believe that that was the real price. It does have like the simple backing to it, and the earring doesn't feel super heavy. So let's put it on and see what it looks like. I used to wear really big earrings. I love the big earrings, but lately I just haven't been gravitating towards large earrings. I've been liking smaller ones, but I have a lot of them that I need to declutter because I'm not using them. They're just taking up space. I may give them to my niece. I have a niece that she likes to wear bigger earrings. So I'm going to take them to her and see if she wants them. But yeah, these are pretty. I like them. And I'm glad they're not heavy. Because sometimes if an earring is really heavy, it kind of pulls on your earlobe. And I don't like it when you can see like the earring pulling on your ears. This feels very comfortable. I like that. So that's pretty. Alright, so just to recap, this was the bowl. Okay, the bowl was category 1. Then the pants were category 2. And the extra product from category 2 was the bath gel. Then category 3 was the top that goes with the pants. And like I said, that one is the one that I thought about it, but then I said, I'll just wear something underneath it. If it's kind of like short, I mean, it's fine if I wear like a tank top or something underneath it. Just so that I don't show skin. Okay, and then number 4 were both of these room sprays. Well, one was included with my subscription and I paid for the extra one. Then category 5 were the blushes, the Summer Friday blushes. And category 6 were the pretty earrings. I think these are really, really pretty. So let me show you the add-ons that I purchased. I got this. This is from Mood Happens. I don't remember ordering this. This is a candle. I also had a $10 credit on my account because whenever you shop through them, like all the add-ons, they count as shopping. Like anything that I purchased that was not included within my box, you get a credit, rewards credit. So I had $10, so that was applied towards this. Oh, I know what this is. Wow, it was very confusing. I have some votive candles. It made it sound like it was a candle, and it's not. It's a ceramic candle vessel. Okay, so I have a lot of votive candles, and I don't really have anything to put them on, and sometimes I use like a mug or something like that. But they had this, and I think it was like 49 cents. So I went ahead and I got it. This is the only color that they had. They didn't have a choice of colors, but it's fine. On the inside, it's smooth. On the outside, I don't like the way it feels. It kind of like, you know, those things that is almost like nails on the chalkboard kind of thing. Yeah, that's what it kind of feels like. But for 49 cents, I have to say that's pretty nice quality. I also got this is from Daily Concepts. Daily Concepts has some really good products. Like I purchased a lot of like, they're like body care stuff. But like they have like the towels for your hair. And they have a lot of different like sponges that you can use to bathe. This is called the Soft Scrub Cleansing Cloth. And it's dual texture cloth with elastic roll-up band. And I like these to exfoliate in my body. And I actually have one that I purchased at Ulta. But it's kind of old now. So I wanted to replace it with a new one. So I guess you can roll it up and, I don't know, stick it in there. And then you can just hang it. I guess you can hang it from here or here just so that it dries. But these are really nice, and I just use it when I bathe. I just put my bath gel there and kind of exfoliates your arms and your legs. I like it. And this one is nice and thick. The one that I have from Ulta, it doesn't feel quite as thick. And it does have like a different texture on each side, but it's not rough. I mean, you can tell that it's probably going to exfoliate, but it's not anything that feels like it's going to be uncomfortable when you use it. It feels really good. It feels nice and cushiony. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Alright, then I also got, I like the brand Remedy, and I have received several products from them in PR, and then I've also purchased products from them, skincare. But I saw that they had this pre-cleansing Derm Dissolve cleansing balm, and it was very inexpensive, so I went ahead and I got it. I like cleansing balms to remove my makeup. And then I go back with a facial cleanser as a second cleanse. But I just thought I'd try this because I do really like this brand. It's a really, really good brand. And if you ever see it, that you can get it at a good price, I totally recommend it. I love their nighttime lip treatment. It's really, really good. It comes in a little white tube. It's a squeezy tube. But it's really good. And they just sent me a new product that they released, and I haven't started it yet, so I'm not going to talk about it until I try it for a while and see if it makes any difference. But they're really good, so I really do enjoy it. And they actually have The doctors that created this brand, they actually have a YouTube channel. So I'll go ahead and link it below. So in case you guys want to watch it. Okay, and I got this. This is the LMS Nourishing Omega Rich Cleansing Oil. And it is a travel size. But I wanted to try it. I've heard a lot of good things about this cleansing oil. Right now I'm using one from La Roche-Posay. It's really good. I really do like it. It's like $20, but you get a humongous bottle. And it kind of suds up when you go, you know, you put it over your face and then you kind of like splash a little bit of water. It suds up and it does a great job of removing your makeup. But I wanted to try the LMS. So this is just a travel size. Then they also included a sample. So this is from Gruns, I don't know, Gruns, and it supports gut health, energy, immunity, recovery, beauty, and cognition. So it's just a little sample. I received one before. I didn't try it. Didn't sound appetizing to me, but let's try one now. It's not bad, but it's not something. Do you have to eat a whole one? A whole bag, I would assume. I don't know. Jury's out. It's not anything that I would want to order. I don't like those kind of things. For some reason, they'll have like an aftertaste. I'd rather take a pill that I can swallow with some water and not something that I have to chew. That's just me. Alright, so I'm really excited about this box. I thought it was amazing. As you saw on a couple of categories, I ordered more than one item because it was so good. So I was really happy with this box. I think for some reason the fall box is always the best. I don't know, I don't know why they do that, but it is. Let me see what this smells like, because the one that I had before was a different scent and it was amazing. It smells good. It smells more citrusy. I don't know what hinoki is. Bergamot and hinoki. Should we be nosy and see what hinoki is? I want to see what hinoki is. So hinoki is a stunning, slow-growing evergreen native to central Japan. Okay. Prized for its fan-shaped dark green or golden fern-like foliage, reddish-brown peeling bark, it ranges from massive 50-foot trees down to compact dwarfed. So they use them a lot for bonsais. But I don't think it smells like cypress or anything like that. It smells more, maybe a little bit, but it smells more citrusy to me, like the lemon kind of thing. But it smells good. This is really good. I love this. I feel it's very hydrating. It's an aromatic gel cleanser infused with seaweed extracts and hyaluronic acid for a rich, hydrating lather that leaves skin soft and smooth. So, and I attest to that. It is very nice, rich lather, and you do feel very hydrated, and your skin, it just feels good after you used it in your bath. And I'm so happy that I have that. Yeah, so I have no regrets. Like I said, there was not one category that I had to settle for something. There was always something that I was interested in, and in some categories, one-on-ones. And I can't wait to use these. I'm going to use it with the bronzer. But I think they had like 4 different shades you can choose from. But I decided I would go with my normal, boring, rosy one. And then one that was a little more peach. And they're very pretty. That's the rosy one. That's the peach. They're not world apart, but they're pretty. I like the earrings very much. They feel comfy. They're not heavy. My only thing was, but this was an add-on that I included at the end. It's a pumping lip glow balm. But the color is just not up my alley. So I'll see if I can find someone that wants it, but I just don't want to use it, you know, try it on if I know that color is not for me. All right, you guys, so let me know if this is something you subscribe to. Have you ever been tempted? Are you waiting for your box? Did you make your choices already? Share with me what you chose. This was a good one. Very happy. I usually tear this box apart. I'm sorry, but if it's garbage, if it's something that I have to settle for something because I have no choice and I have to pick like the lesser of the evils, so be it. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I love you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.